Good day, this is Teacher Ian and welcome to Sarsas Wited Burapa online class. How are you today? I hope that you are doing well. Before we start, let's have our vocabularies. Number 1. Multiply. 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 Spell multiply. M-U-L-T-I-P-L-Y. Multiply. Number 2. Division. 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 Spell division. D-I-V-I-S-I-O-N. Division. Number 3. Product. 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 Spell product. P-R-O-D-U-C-T. Product. Our lesson for this week is all about multiplication and what you will learn in this unit. First, the relationship of multiplication and division. One is the opposite of the other. Second, problem solving. Reading stories and finding the answer using multiplication and division. Before we proceed to our lesson, let's review first our place value. For example, we have 128. In 128, the 8 is ones. The 2 is the tens. And 1 is the hundred. So that's 100, tens, and ones. Our first lesson is all about multiplying by 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90. For example, 2 groups of 10. You can write it down as 2 times 10 equals, what is the answer? Very good. That's 20. Another example. 3 groups of 20. That is 3 times 20 equals, what is the answer? Good job! That's 60. Let's go to a bigger number. For example, 8 times 90. If you are going to multiply it by 1-digit number, that's 8 multiplied by 9 is equal to 72, right? And if we multiply it by 2-digit numbers, that's 90 is 9 tenths. So 8 multiplied by 9/10 is 72/10. That's 8 times 90 is equals to what? Very good, that's 720. For the method, you can write it down as 8 times 9 is equals to 72. And 8 times 90 is 720. For the activities, please open your books and answer it on page 157 and 158. Thank you. Our next lesson is all about multiplication of two-digit number by one digit. For example, multiply 32 by 3. That's 2 ones times 3 is equals to 6 ones. And 3/10 times 3 is equals to 9/10. For the method, 32 times 3 is equals to what? Very good. That's 96. Another example. Multiply 12 by 2. That's 2 ones times 2 is equals to what? 4 ones. And 1/10 times 2 is equals to what? That's 2/10. So for the method, you can write it down as 12 times 2 is equals to, very good, that's 24. For the activity, please answer your books on page 159. Thank you. Our next lesson is about multiplication with carrying or carries and the short way method. For example, we have 24 times 8. Step 1. We will multiply first the ones. That's 4 ones times 8 equals 32. Step 2. We will multiply the tens. That's 2/10 times 8 equals 160. Step 3. We will add the answers. So let's start with the ones. So that's 2 plus 0 equals 2. Then we move to tens. That's 3 plus 6 equals 9. Next is with the hundred. Bring down 1. So the answer is 192. Next is, you can also write it down in a simpler way. We have 24 times 8. Multiply the tens, that's 4 times 8 equals 32. Carry out 3 on the top of the tens. Next is multiply the tens. That's 2 times 8 equals 16. So, since we have carried by 3, we add it with the product. That's 16 plus 3 equals 19. For our activities, please answer your books on page 160 and 161. Thank you. Before we end, always remember, students, to always wear your mask, observe social distancing, and always wash your hands. Thank you for watching. See you again next time. Have a wonderful day.